Today's video we're gonna bring to mind some of the most special moments we have lived in this channel. So let's start. Not long ago, I started this adventure joined you. In that occasion, I uploaded a video talking about family members. That day I was a little bit nervous, because I never made videos for YouTube, but at the beginning I felt all your support. Since that first video, you have been a great spectators of all my videos, starting with numbers, colors, animals, house parts, seasons, vowels, and body parts. Join to all grammar videos that allow us to depend all the knowledge about this language. Some of those videos have been verb to be, past, present, future, adverbs, adjectives, personal pronouns, and the rest of them. Following by the other videos such as the Christmas message, the trips I have shared with you, as they were my journey throughout Santander and Boyacá, and how to forget my trip through the Eastern Plains. Last but not least, I want to tell you that thanks to my latest videos and all your support, I motivate to keeping me uploading videos to learn more English. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.